Reacting to Hindi serials. Now, what is she doing? She's doing so much. She's stabbing him and she's singing and she's fucking. It looks like my head. She's seducing like me now. You are laughing, Jon Snow. Looks so Okay, my producer came through and gave us a few clips that we can watch. So let's do that.
Now we're watching Sasural Simar.
Mataji asks Simar to sing a bhajan.
Whoa, that's Deepika from Big Boss. I know these people, and that's Balika Vadhu.
I want to know if Mataji asks Simar to sing a bhajan, is that the episode name or the clip's name? Because these episodes have really weird names. Mataji?
She understood.
बैठिए.
This woman was in Big Boss. Is my least favorite. She sucked.
Like Nazar.
Is this Simar?
Is she the one who turns into a fly? Oh, she turns into a fly in this show. The situation is so awkward.
This Mataji does not want to be here.
Give me a compliment.
You're so beautiful. She does that anyways, nothing new. What's the plan, Auntie?
She's just been climbing for the past 10 minutes.
He saw her breaking and entering. Or just entering.
Which chore will be like, हाँ मैं चोर हूँ. Now he doesn't care about the chore.
He's going to get different angle of the chore. Who the hell was that boy? Why did he save her life?
What is happening? Where's the bhajan?
She has emerged. If they were going to let her in anyways, why didn't she just walk in?
Through the door.
Oh, maybe she wasn't at home and she sneaked out. Now she's sneaking by him. She's a rebel.
Hey, she's Anandi, no?
She's Balika Vadhu. We get it. You're happy to see her.
Move on!
She's not happy to see her. She's very sad. That Mataji, nothing is gonna please her.
This is so long.
Except the bhajan. The bhajan will please her, I bet.
I forwarded 10 minutes and nothing has happened.
She's shaking hands.
Oh, she's giving tea to it. Art student. Indian.
Well, the way you said art student.
Are all the episodes this slow? I want
This-
to know how many episodes are there in this show.
Like,
The show has 1 out of 10 rating on IMDb.
that's so generous. 2096 episodes, it said.
But
Nothing has happened in this
it's
10
going
minutes.
on and on. She hasn't even sang the bhajan yet.
Finish.
The clip is labeled she'll sing a bhajan. And
Actually, the clip is labeled Mataji asks Simar to sing a bhajan. She doesn't have to sing it. Okay. This was a waste of time.
she didn't sing bhajan. Nobody asked her to sing bhajan. Go back. Nagin. If you guys didn't know, we are originally from Mumbai. We've been living in Bangalore 8 years now. 9 years.
10.
So we do have a lot of family in the film industry and we do kind of know people from the film industry. So it's funny seeing them on TV and in real life.
Now we're watching Nagin, but it's a throwback. It's gonna bring back some memories.
Ritvik follows Nagin into the jungle. Is he in love with her?
He's not doing a good job of hiding.
He's following her. He just has to camouflage.
He's wearing bulb at night. So that's a big ass ring.
Bling. Like,
She got that drip. Why is she so glammed up? You're in a forest. Barefoot.
maybe the jewelry and the bling is like her scales. And she turns into
Her skin.
When she turns into
She
Nagi,
sheds it.
it becomes scales.
You don't need the moon if she's around.
It's been 1 minute and he's just following her.
These angles, though, camera work. It's bringing back memories. This throwback.
It's just blurry. It's bad camera work.
Oh my god.
Also, they don't want to show us her face.
Does he know her face?
Does he know she's a Nagin?
What's happening? She's falling.
Oh, she turned into a Rizzo.
Oh! Oh! He bit her. She bit
The
her.
plot twist. I love the bald cap the Pujari is wearing. So
It's a
realistic. They couldn't hire a bald guy.
Like her bindi. It's like 3/4 of her forehead.
And
And the rest of it is her sindoor.
Trisha, look into this editor's bindi on you.
I don't know what is happening. This is all over the place.
This makes no sense.
She was just with the pandit. Now she's with this man. So the guy that's running, that's his wife.
Hey, he looks like Gunther. He looks like Gunther from that.
Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, you're scaring me, both of you. Yes. Oh, what a genius! She didn't feel the sap cutting her when the sap came.
Why was her reaction so extreme?
Oh my god, they're gonna hit the man!
That's why you should pay attention when you play.
Wait, who's driving? What is happening? Who's the dude driving? There's two different cars.
What is happening? They were at home. He was in the jungle. The clip's named she was following him.
It's Einstein! He looks like Einstein.
Nazar made more sense than this.
I'm actually loving this.
I'm team Nazar all the way.
Where's the show is called Nagin. The Nagin was there for like 1 second. Oh, he's giving Gyan. He does not care. That is
There's
nothing
nothing
happening.
I meant Shiva G, like Lord Shiva. I think he might be named after Lord Shiva also.
You know what I'm sad about? There's still no Nagin.
There's nothing happened here.
Oh, he's angry. He's angry with the main dude.
Oh my god. He's
Oh my god.
Nagin dance. Okay.
It's the battle of the Nagin.
There's two Nagin. There's a good Nagin and a bad. Oh
my god.
plot twist.
She was the one who got hit.
Yeah. She was the old man. Those
What is
bangs.
this?
Those bangs are overgrown. She needs to cut them off.
What is this woman doing?
I don't know. Krishna, do you want to demonstrate?
Nobody was even there. Oh, he is there.
Do you want to demonstrate?
Who's he?
Whoa. How is he on a tree now?
Who's this?
Oh.
Oh, he taught her how to do it. I can just imagine him doing it.
I love how nobody gets
She changed
contact
outfit.
lenses. Everyone's eyes are edited in all these Hindi shows.
But I love
Okay.
I don't know what is happening. There's a shivling that she is praying to.
She was kind of feeling it up.
It's a shivling, look at the shameless.
Weren't they going?
Oh, maybe they're showing how he got bit. Hopefully. That would make sense. Oh!
Hey, Moni Roy.
But these people don't suspect that she's a snake. There was no one on top. I just said these people don't suspect she's a snake. Like, that's a very normal thing to do.
I know now why these shows last so long.
Because this is so good. It's such a good show. Who would have thought of this?
Are you invested? Okay, I'm done with this. Can Shivangi save Rudra? Rudra is my dance team's name. What happened to his skin?
She's a snake.
Oh, those are scales.
What is that?
His hair.
He's topless.
That looks like you in the morning.
I look like this now. She's praying. We love a religious woman. I don't know what she's praying to.
Shivaji.
Shivaji is sitting there. What's happening? Oh, he's giving her. I have a question. Was she born a snake? Or was she born a human?
Producer, was your snake born?
No. Did she become a snake?
She got a Vardhan from
Oh,
Shivaji.
he blessed her.
Yeah. Her parents were also Nagins.
Ah. She's so beautiful. She's trying so hard to be smart.
Gurudev. I couldn't even get it
They've
right.
tried so hard to make sure we know it's a temple. there's a god, there's a Om, there's a fire, there
There's
is on
3
top.
Oms.
There is so much going on.
Dude, that wig is so ugly. What's up on his head? Looks like something died.
You
on
said
him.
I look like that.
तुम नीचे नोट कर दे. तुम
तो पीछे मुड़ कर
कर
नहीं देख सकती. Karanveer Bohra.
I know this guy.
He's in Shararat.
He was Dhruv.
And he was in Big Boss.
Yeah, he was very lame.
Shifa loved him in Shararat.
I know he was every tween girl's crush 10, 15 years ago.
She is the daughter of the first guy and Moni Roy, who looks exactly like Moni Roy.
What is the show?
She is a daughter
So is she a Nagin?
of Moni Roy
And Moni Roy is a Nagin. And Moni Roy's daughter is Moni Roy, who's also a Nagin.
Yeah.
I mean, this is crazy. It's a generational show. Plus, the same actors are playing doppelganger. Meaning, this can go on for thousands of years.
Moni Roy is in the first 3 seasons of Nagin. Then
Nagin. Hey, there's another guy. Who's this guy?
this guy. He's so hot.
No, this guy.
He's not hot. He should have been the movie.
I love his hair.
She's sleeping.
कुछ भी करके शिवांगी
This is so creepy. Just standing around and talking while she's sleeping.
I don't know why all of these serials do this. They just stand around a sleeping person and talk.
And they have a monologue to themselves.
He's just doing his own thing.
This music is.
Some Ganesh music.
Papa was so real.
They really don't care. Whoa! Did you see that Tika?
Is it connecting?
That was crazy.
So I think we've gotten enough content for now. I want to know how many episodes are there in Nagin.
Nagini?
Whoa.
it never ends.
Oh, there's only 329 for 5 seasons. 329 for a Hindi show. That's pretty reasonable.
so this is a
Sure.
weekend show. Like it airs on Saturday and Sunday for 40 minutes.
Oh, it's like
It's not a daily soap, so it's like
40 minutes per episode.
elite.
We need to start watching this.
Yeah, we don't.
So
have
do you
any-
want a fun fact? So the 5th season just got over. So they try to bring a spin-off where they like include vampires also in Nagins. So that show ran for like 2 weeks, but then nobody saw it, so it went off air like in
Why
2
didn't they tell
weeks.
me about
But
this?
that sounds like I would watch it.
Like
Yeah.
it's the kid of the vampire and a eagle, like a shapeshifter eagle. And he's a vampire, and the main lead chick is an angel.
Shouldn't he have been a kid of a bat instead of a eagle?
What was this story?
I think this was very enlightening. My third eye has opened.
Like Shivaji's.
I know what I deserve now.
I feel like I can be Gurudev now. in
I'm
Nagin.
gonna be having inner monologues.
God, I can't stand her. Why does she have to be so annoying?
Just give her a time.
She's so weird.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want us to react to more TV shows, let us know which TV show you're hooked on to right now. I certainly am going to be watching Nazar.
I'm going to watch Nagin because that was epic. Vampire Diaries could never.
It was a journey. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed it. Like any Hindi TV show, I'm also repeating myself so many times. I'll see you bitches later.
Stay at home.
I'll see you bitches later.
Bye.
Bye.